All right, guys, wanted to give you a little bit of walkthrough on the market psychology as far as this move that just happened right here. We see the market broke out of a range right here and started heading upwards. And then we don't trade anything like this, any small candles, a series of small candles, we do not trade that. What you'll generally see is the market will run up in small candles, and then there'll be a fast series of candles. So this one right here looks like there's just one, then a small candle. But you usually see a fast candle that's really big or a series of fast, strong candles headed upwards. And look what happened. As soon as we saw this fast move, market instantly pulled back. We'll notice right here the market broke out of flat RSI bands. If this was a more volatile session like the London or the New York session, I would have taken this trade right here, even though the bands are really small. As long as it was breaking out of the 5-minute bands as well, I would have taken this trade. But if we look over here, the market right here, this is like this is like a 2-pip range. This is not something I'm going to take. So anyway, the market came up here. Came up right here. Chance said we should sell somewhere in here. So I took a sell right here along with Randy off of divergence. You can see this was a divergent peak, this to this. Then the market shot up, came up here. I actually entered right up here whenever it tapped this band. Market came down a little bit. With my spread, I closed at, it wasn't even that much profit. What was it? It was like, so I made $12 profit on the trade. Commission was 24 bucks though. So I only made like $12. Which I lost $12. It's just stupid. The market's not volatile enough. So anyway, market comes up here, it goes down, then another fast candle. And what happens right after this fast candle right here? You see the market pulls instantly straight back down. It's just crazy how this works. So that's something I want you guys to watch for is fast candles. The fast candles will be the most profitable ones because when you see them, you'll generally see a sharp decline in price. This works all the time, guys. Like, look at this. See small candles headed down, 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 down. Pull back. A series of fast candles. Fast. 3, 4 candles downward. Then instantly price pulls back up. Down here, what is this? The bands are not that clean right here, but if they were flat, a little bit wider, it'd be a better RSI scalp. Let's see what happened earlier in the day. Just a ton of trades, guys. There's just so many. Look at this wick right here. Market shot up right here, huge wick, fast candles, price instantly pulls back. You just have to combine those fast candles with like an RSI scalp trade or a divergence trade. I never enter a divergence trade unless I see a series of fast candles. This one right here, I entered this one partially because I was drunk and I needed to be able to at least break even. But this right here, see, it's still screwing around. Price could shoot back up here. We're in a squeeze in the minute 15 chart. So look, price is breaking out of a squeeze right here. Generally, when price constricts this much, look at this period of consolidation. Market's gone sideways. Whichever way this breaks out of, it's going to be a big breakout. I don't know which ways that's going to be. So, but looking at the minute one, this is pretty good. We had a fast candle right there with the wick. But I guarantee the reason this continued breaking outward is because that minute 15 squeeze. But we had a nice wick. This would have been a good entry. You could have placed a sell. Market comes down here. You could have gotten out right here. Minute 5 bands are like flared out like crazy, like they're flaring upwards and outwards. But like I said here, the whole takeaway from this video, guys, is I want you guys to wait for the fast wicks, because when you see the fast wick, something like this, you'll see prices generally, it'll be rallying up and up and up and up. Fast wick, it'll pull back. Up and up and up and up and up and up and up. Fast wick, pulls back. Up and up and up and up and up, pulls back. Fast wick, pulls back. So just combine those fast wicks with like an RSI scalp trade, guys. Or a divergence trade, or just something like that, even a trend scalp. If you combine the fast candles with all of your entries and you wait to see a crazy fast wick, that's generally the stop hunt. That's the candle you want to enter on to counter the market. Best luck trading this week with you guys. If you guys need any help, of course, reach out to me, Randy, or Caleb, and we'll help you out. See y'all.